Lecture 1. Introduction. Hi, welcome to my Certified Information System Auditor exam preparation course. In this course, I will teach you how to pass your CISA examination first time. I'm a Certified Information System Auditor and have been a trainer for the last 7 years. I have a lot of followers that I've guided to pass their CISA exam. If you follow the course and remember the key points, get a good result in the quiz test, and score 80% or above in the practice test, I'm confident you'll pass the real exam. So with that in mind, let's get started.